Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angie and my colleague is
Chef Cathy. Thank you for liking, subscribing and commenting. We see the views and every other thing and we are excited.
Very much
so. So today we are going to make, could you guess?
puff puff.
No, Mandazi.
Oh, I like it.
A favorite. So we are going to just make Mandazi and we have our ingredients right up here. So you can replace water with milk, but we have flour, we have sugar, we have butter and eggs and baking powder, vanilla essence and lemon zest. So Mandazi can be made within 15 to 20 minutes.
That's quick.
Yeah, very, very quick. And we call them a quick bread. So we'll just go in with our flour. I think Chef Angie will help me add the rest of the ingredients.
Sugar.
Okay. Some baking powder.
Some lemon zest.
The butter.
Oops. Butter. Can I put in the egg?
Yeah, sure you can.
Egg.
Then a little bit of
Easy
essence.
Yes.
So for the liquid, she'll gradually add for me as I need, because all we want to achieve is a very smooth dough that we are able to cut into squares.
So can I cut them into any desired shape?
Sure, you can.
Okay.
So
because we are moving towards Christmas, I would want to make a star out of Mandazi.
Interesting. Will you be putting that star on the Christmas tree?
Well, we shall see.
We shall.
It lasts an hour.
I know some people who will grab it.
Yeah.
I'm sending greetings to them.
Yeah, we send greetings.
We send greetings to
the
them.
Mandazi lovers out there.
So our dough is almost ready.
Yes, and the liquid is almost done.
Yeah, we don't need now more liquid. This is good enough.
Okay.
We're going to sprinkle some flour. Chef Angie, hope I'm not messing up your.
Yeah,
you're beautiful.
I'm just wondering why the fly is all over me.
Yeah, so we are rolling. After dusting, we roll. So the dough should rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes before you can roll it into.
This is so easy for breakfast.
Very, very easy. Short time, yeah.
So what's the trick with them?
What do you mean by trick?
Well, like what should I crack to make them perfect?
I think
oil, the temperature of the oil.
Temperature of the oil and kneading of the dough.
Kneading of the dough.
Yeah. So we are going to start cutting. So if you see we've not rolled so thick.
Okay.
Okay, this is really thin. I think I need to redo it. Let me redo it. It's very, very thin.
Can we add this?
Yes,
so that we can have enough. What is it?
Guys, should just
we have the whole world to feed. You know what I'm saying? Yes.
So
you always age.
I think this will be good.
I like the way you knead with so much ease. Now me, with my energy, it will be like of paper.
Like a paper. Wow.
No time, but I
So,
know how you're gentle.
We are trying to shape them right now.
Okay. What shape are we looking for?
I don't know. You are the creative here. You could help.
Go traditional. Traditional was always those rectangular ones or the triangular ones.
Triangular ones.
Yeah, those are like this.
Those are the traditional ones.
Hey.
I think we should go for that.
Can they?
Okay, so I'm gonna do this and this and this.
Please do thank your mother. We send her greetings.
Okay, so we're going to fry the mandazi right now.
As I am working here, there is no wastage.
We are going to get oil ready. And the trick is not to have very hot oil, because you want them to get thoroughly cooked on the inside. That's why you need to be able to regulate your cooking oil. And also it's not good to crowd the fan, so only do, you can add one more. So just 15 minutes and we're good to go. Okay, 20 to 25 minutes and we're good to go. Our mandazi are here. Chef Angie is smiling.
Yes.
You know why?
In such a short time.
So we are going to just plate them quickly, just putting on a plate. Not much we can do. But if you like, you could dust them with icing sugar. That's if you are a sweet tooth. I would love this, mine like this. Chef Angie, I don't know. How do you prefer yours?
Coconut.
Wow. Why is she even whispering? She's saying coconut.
Coconut, yes.
I think she'll prepare them with coconut. So these have lemon zest and vanilla essence infused in the dough. So we are going to take a bite,
Yes.
and then let you know how they taste like. So I don't know, should we just get one? Oh, why am I taking a big piece?
Still hot low, but
A bit
we are
more.
built for this. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, they're just perfect as I would want them.
You know, I like mine crunchy, and the crunchiness on this mandazi is just perfect.
Yeah.
The lemon zest, the vanilla essence, everything is just balancing so well. So this, so this is a recipe you could try out for breakfast or an evening tea, snack, or I don't know. You could even take them to school, maybe. And as we go, we want to tell you about the 7-Star Culinary Institute here in Tinda, just along Dr. Asea Road. We have short courses, diploma, certificate courses, and now that the kids are coming in holiday, what do we have?
We have a program that is coming up. Please sign up your child. They will learn hands-on skills. Imagine if your child can make a scrambled egg by themselves, a pizza by themselves. Information will be on the screen.
So until next time, thank you for watching us and supporting our channel. Bye.